In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock and tapping on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then tap on this plus at the bottom in the middle and begin by setting up an hour at the top. Then tap on Days of the Week, hit Ringtone, and tap on Add New to pick any song from your device or tap on one of those melodies. Then click on this switcher next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback and click on Label to name it however you wish to. Finally choose OK, and to save your new alarm, hit Save at the bottom. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click on it. Operate all of those options and hit Save. And to get rid of it, click on it and choose Delete at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!